Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the recovery flow. Open the app and go to the login screen. If you see a Forgot Password link, tap it now. Enter the account email or phone exactly as registered because matching identifiers let the backend validate you. Once done, choose the preferred verification, SMS, email, or authenticator app. Make sure you have access to that channel. Otherwise, switch to an alternate recovery option before proceeding. Once you receive a one-time code, enter it immediately. Codes typically expire in minutes. If 2FA is enabled, open your authenticator app and use the current code and make sure your device clock is accurate. Time drift causes failures. If prompted, answer security questions or upload requested ID images. Follow framing and lighting guidance to avoid rejection. After validation, create a new password that is unique and strong. Then confirm it so the app accepts the change. You wrap up by logging in with your new password and reauthorizing any devices or sessions as prompted. Make sure to update your password manager and enable biometric sign-in if available, because it speeds future access. If the reset fails, check the spam folder for emails, verify your device clock, and retry the code flow. Sometimes clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app resolves token errors. If none of that works, contact app support with your account details and a clear description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.